Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your source for expert lighting and hardware advice. Today, we're talking about how to properly light your bathroom. A well-lit bathroom isn't just about visibility, it's about creating a space that's both functional and inviting. We'll go over the best ways to layer light using vanity, ambient, and accent lighting, as well as some tips on choosing the right fixtures for your space. The most important lighting in any bathroom is vanity lighting, as this is where you'll be shaving, applying makeup, and getting ready for the day. The best setup includes wall-mount sconces placed at eye level on either side of the mirror. This helps reduce shadows and provides even illumination across your face. If you don't have room for sconces, a fixture mounted above the mirror can also work. Just make sure to choose a light that provides soft, diffused illumination to minimize glare. For the best results, select bulbs with a color temperature between 2700 K and 3000 K, which gives a warm, natural glow similar to daylight. Beyond the vanity, you need ambient lighting to brighten the entire room. A flush or semi-flush mount ceiling fixture is a great option for most bathrooms, as it provides even lighting throughout the space. For a more dramatic look, consider a chandelier or pendant light, especially in bathrooms with high ceilings. If you prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic, recessed lighting can also work well, but be sure to place it strategically to avoid harsh shadows. And don't forget, accent lighting can take your bathroom to the next level. LED strip lighting under a vanity or behind a mirror adds a soft, stylish glow. If you want to create a spa-like atmosphere, installing dimmable lighting allows you to adjust the brightness for relaxation. Be sure not to neglect the shower itself. If your shower feels dim, consider adding a wet-rated recessed light inside the enclosure can improve visibility and safety. Always choose fixtures specifically designed for damp or wet locations to ensure durability. A well-lit bathroom is all about layering different types of lighting. Task lighting for the vanity, ambient lighting for overall brightness, and accent lighting for added style. Choosing the right fixtures can completely transform the look and feel of your space. If you're looking for high-quality bathroom lighting, check out the links in the description below for our full selection. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more lighting and hardware tips. See you next time.